Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another fabulous book for you. For shortwave listeners and hams, anybody that's listening on the shortwave bands, this is one of many books that Gayle Van Horn and her husband, Larry Van Horn, put out. They've been putting these books out for years, and they're usually periodical. I'll get it right in a minute. So this is the Global Radio Guide for the winter of 2022-2023, right now. This just came out. I downloaded it from my Kindle Unlimited subscription on December 30th. I've been reading it. It's a great book, chock with information about shortwave listening. I mean, just full of information. You can go on to Amazon. I appreciate if you use my Amazon link, which is below, is in the description below each video. There's no extra charge or dealing with Amazon. It's just if you use my link, I get a credit if you buy something. So let's look inside here, because anybody can see this, so then I can show you this. And it gives you a piece of the book to look at, to give you an example. And one thing their books have is lots of links. And in the book, when you're reading the book, you can read the book on your Fire tablet, or you can even read it on your PC. They have readers for the PC from the Amazon website, which are free. And when you're in that mode, you can click on these links and it'll take you directly to whatever they're discussing. And what this issue is built around is all the things that are happening throughout the world and why it's important that you should be listening to shortwave to all these foreign countries and see what they're saying about what's going on. And like I say, see it, links, it's got links all over the thing. Tells you about the Taiwanese network. And then here's more links. I mean, you can just spend hours and hours going through this book. And this is just a little sample of what's in there. Here's HF marine frequencies over in that area, Taiwan area. So I think you ought to get yourself this book. Let me get out of it here. Again, you can go to Amazon through my Amazon link and then find this Global Radio Guide by Gayle Van Horn, and then look inside and you can see what I just showed you. Or you can click on her name or her husband's name and see what other books. Okay, I'm making a liar out of me. Visit, okay, here we go. There we go. So here's, I've showed you most of these. These should look familiar to you. So these are the old ones. Again, they put them out periodically. And if you want to keep this book, it's only $9 if you want to keep it. Let me go back. Now this is 904 pages. Oh my gosh. And it was published in November 30th, 2022. It's very recent. And then, like I say, I'm a member of the Kindle Unlimited group, I'll call it, library on Amazon, whatever you call it, which you pay $9.99 a month, and you can check out up to 10 books at a time from their Kindle Unlimited library, which is a subset of all the books they have. And you can keep the book as long as you want, but once you check out 10 books, if you want to check out an 11th book, you have to give one back. And I'm always at my max of 10 books. So check this out, the Global Radio Guide Winter 2022-2023, the Kindle edition. I don't see where it says that you can get a hard copy of this. That might be someplace else. Check it out. I think you'll like it. It's very informative. Have a great day. Bye-bye.